In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Zoho Mail. Whether you've recently gone through a name change or you simply want to update your display name for outgoing emails, this guide will make the process quick and straightforward. So let's get started. First, let's head over to the Zoho Mail website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the address for Zoho Mail. Once there, log into your account using your usual credentials. If you haven't logged in recently, you might be prompted to complete some security checks to ensure it's really you. This is part of Zoho's commitment to keeping your information secure, so remember your device security details to make this step quicker. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a familiar gear icon, usually representing settings. Go ahead and click on this settings icon. This will open up a menu with a number of different options. From this list, look for an option called Send Mail As. Click it, and you'll be directed to another menu that concerns how your email is perceived when it reaches its receiver. Now, in this section, you're specifically looking for Display Name, Outgoing Emails. This is essentially the name that people see when they receive emails from you. It's helpful if you need to align your email identity with branding or personal changes. Look for the text box next to it. Here's where you can type in your new name. It could be your full name, initials, or even a nickname, depending on what's appropriate for your professional or personal interactions. Be sure to double-check the spelling. Typos can lead to confusion. With your new name typed in, the next important move is to look for the Update button. Clicking this will save the changes you've made, finalizing your new email display name. Zoho Mail might prompt you with a quick message confirming that your changes have been saved, providing you with peace of mind that your name has indeed been updated. And just like that, you're done. Your display name for outgoing emails on Zoho has been updated. This simple update can make sure that all your email communications reflect your chosen identity accurately. It's a small but crucial component of managing your professional or personal email persona. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Keep in mind that whenever there's a change in your personal or professional life, Zoho Mail makes it easy to ensure your communications reflect your new situation. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.